Hi there, guys. Welcome to our project. We are Group 3, and this is Simon Glows. I'm Beckett.
I'm Josh.
I'm Kailash.
I'm Catalina.
I'm Jack.
I'm Jared.
So, Simon Glows is an interactive fidget toy similar to the popular Hasbro toy Simon. And Simon lights glow and sounds beep, and you have to match the rhythmic tune of the lights and the beeps. And similarly, in our game, a light flashes, and then you must turn a potentiometer in order to get a rewarding beep sound.
Our end goal users were small kids and people with disabilities that don't have as much cognitive ability as other people. And we basically just aim to create a simple game that could keep these people involved for a couple hours. And another end goal user is also people that are recovering from like serious diseases or injuries that are working on their coordination skills so they could have something simple that could build up their skills. Yeah.
So the way it's coded is that it uses a random number generator that will generate a number 1 through 4, and that number is tied to each LED and the potentiometer assigned to it. And so for each of those LEDs, the microcontroller is going to read the potentiometer input to see when it's turned past a certain point, and then it's going to sound the buzzer.
So this snippet of the code right here it's 1/4 of the full code that we have, and so the code generates a random number variable from 1 to 4 inclusive, and then this snippet shows just what happens if that random number generated is 1. So and then that I equals 1 is the yellow LED. When this number when I equals 1 is generated, the code checks if the potentiometer has been turned to one side to one half of it, and then it checks if it has been turned to the opposite half. And if it has, that means the user has won this round, and then the buzzer will sound. And then it's going to generate a new random value for that variable, and then it'll keep running the code again and again as long as the user keeps playing it.
For our components, we have four different colored LEDs, a red, blue, green, and yellow. And we have four potentiometers with each one associated with a different LED. So for example, the one under the green light will only control the green light. And then we have our four digital pins, our four analog pins, and then all the wires are hidden under the cover we made. And then on the next slide, we can see the Tinkercad circuit, which shows all the actual wiring.
And then how it works is you plug in the battery and then only one LED will light up and then you just spin the adjacent potentiometer.